Jumped out of bed today to blue skies and sunshine. So me have to give thanks for life. Although the road rough sometimes, still no complain or me gracious. Enough man did me wake up. Me not dumb, me not blind, me not deaf, me not cripple. No my bone them not break up. So there is no complaining. Judge I give thanks to the sunshine.
It's Kamari's bath time. Hi, Pops. Yes, it's your bath time. No, you guys remember when I was a bit in a bath pan? I miss these days. Kamari. Pops. Popsicle. Hi. Yes. Okay, Auntie gonna bathe you now. Oh man, y'all can't even see me. But anyways, I'm on my way to the hotel. I'm in St. Anne's. I'm near Brownstown. Ow, Sin, big up yourself. A Brownstown you come from, though. Don't make me feel like I idiot. I feel like say a Brownstown you come from. But anyways, I'm on my way to the hotel. So when I get there, I will catch up back with you guys. This is my first time pulling up my camera today. Like, I don't even want to talk about today, but I'm gonna get into a better mood, and hopefully tonight will be amazing. Tomorrow will be amazing. One of my best friends is getting married. So yeah, Daddy stopped to get something for the car and some credits, and yeah, so later. Yo, it's true. My friend, I thought wife tomorrow. Come turn around, spin round. Whoa, yo, talk to it nice. Come mindable, talk to it nice. Yes. Our last name I changed to Marathon. All right. So you guys, we finally made it. Oh, let me block out Terry because Terry doesn't want to be in it. Let me block it out. But Goody, see Terry, yes, bride tribe. See the bride here. The person you hear in the background is a hater, okay? she'll be in the camera. But she's not looking. But yeah, you know, it's bachelorette night. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try to find some festive things to do. Some people are sleeping. They be sleeping on us. But we gonna figure it out. You know what I'm saying? You just wait for it. Her ass is gonna be out. Mine will not be because I have to be conservative. Oh God, me not even sleep because my father never wear him glasses. So me didn't have to look on the road. Me said, "Holy part time we end up on one next girl." Not for come my father actually. Make sure I reach home. I swear. Him won't come by himself but anyways, that's another story. Yeah, it's a secret. But yeah, we're at the Jewel Runaway Bay Resort hotel. Thanks to Terry, I got to stay here tonight. And yeah, so we're gonna find something to do when there's more interesting festivities coming along. Then I'll come back to you guys and let y'all know, okay? But yeah, it's Liddy. Mrs. Strong. This is the last day she's going to be a Dawson. A Dawson and a Bye. People, my aunts, oh my God, when I can't even really see me, I don't want to use the flash too good because, you know what I mean? Yeah, but, oh, you can't try to see me?
No, I need something to drink.
I want something strong.
Can I get,
no, something strong.
Pineapple juice with coconut rum, please? And a pineapple and cherry?
I don't know. No, I'm not really into pineapple and coconut.
She needs something strong.
I want something strong. I don't like Appleton. Crown.
You want like a rum punch?
Sure. Let me start off with that. Huh? What you say? What are you gonna say?
I'm recording that.
Dark truth? Oi, oi. Where are you going with your backpack, first of all? I'll be the bouncer. without a follow, without a mention. You really hype it up on these. You gotta be nice for what to these. I understand. Hey, hey, hey. High school bitch, you was even bad then. You ain't stressing up no love in the past days. You already had them. I'm on 1 drink, she's on 10. Bad things. She's gonna be married tomorrow, you guys. I mean today. My best friend is gone. She's gone. She's gone. Like she's gone. I don't have a best friend anymore.
She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, I bring a question to the party. And you know me. Turn the 02 into the 03.
In the club, like this. Are you dumb? Rotten club, y'all dogfish roots. Bad and bougie.
She a white material. Who's back there laughing?
Come, go on pee-pee.
Hello? Salt water there over there.
Nobody come. Where we are though?
She's
I
so
don't want you to record me.
she's frost right now. My people, it's frost. Tarantosh, frost.
My best
Oh
friend's
God.
getting married in like, I don't know how many hours.
5%.
Y'all.
So when you were doing the vow, you heard me. Okay, on my back. Okay, all right. Making sure. Where is? So wait.
Huh?
Where Bible then? Oh, backside. I came over here plugging the phone, you know, and that's what I keep walking back looking for.
You guys, we're home. I mean, in the room, and yeah, like we're in the room. And I'm a little bit intoxicated. You know what I'm saying? I tried to make the bride have a good time, and I became a little bit intoxication, and I don't know what's going on, but it's the day of the wedding, and my best friend is getting married. I'm not gonna have a best friend anymore. She's gonna be a wife. I need a husband. If you guys have any potential candidates out there who want to be a husband to a wife, let me know so I can be a husband to a wife. I mean, a wife to a husband, and then we can, yeah, get the party started and stuff like that. But
I'm gonna go to my bed so I have a little bit of energy when I wake up in the morning because I'm really tired. And I don't know what I'm really saying at this point. But,
She doesn't know what the hell.
are you recording? I think you're recording now. Okay, so yeah. I don't know what happened to my phone, but it's not recording properly. But don't laugh at me, okay, you guys, when I put this on YouTube? You guys don't laugh at me. Why?
Why do you have dispenser?
When we look on it, we just get the hangover right now.
Girl, we didn't even do the games that we wanted to do. I want to pack them up and bring them back to Party City because I'm going to get my money back because this is a waste of money. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning. And I'll see you guys in the morning, okay? Hope you guys had a good time. I had a good time. I tried to make sure the bride had a good time. I don't know if she had a good time, but I had a good time. So I'll talk to you guys like a little later or something tomorrow or something. I don't know exactly what something is something, but something tomorrow and then something, okay? Don't laugh at me, okay, guys? Okay, bye.